Hello friends, now we will learn how we can change the background of a video by making a specific color of that video transparent. In this case, we made the white color of the video transparent so that the video behind this became visible. Similarly, we can make the background of a picture transparent by making a specific color of that picture transparent. Here again we made the white color of the picture transparent. Let's see how we can do this using Openshot Video Editor. Openshot Video Editor is an open source software, that means it's free. This is available for all kind of operating systems such as Linux, Windows, Mac and Chrome. You can download this software using the link provided in the description. Let's start editing now. Here in this example, I have a raw video from a recipe. A video where an animated cartoon character is speaking with white background and an image of onion with white background. Here you can see these videos and images are placed one by one. But let's put the cartoon video and onion image in front of the raw video. Here the position and size of the cartoon video and image has been changed. We will discuss this later. So now this is how my normal video will look like without any effect. But our goal is to make the background of this cartoon video and image transparent. So now let's go to the effect section of the editor. Here you will see an effect called chrome key. Let's add this effect on our required video and image by drag and drop. Now select the chrome key effect on the track. By default, the chrome key effect makes black color transparent, but we want to make white transparent. So let's change the key color to white by double clicking on the color. Now we are done. But did you observe another thing? There is some white color around the cartoon character. We can remove this by increasing the value of fuzz of the effect. Hope you understood how to make the background of a video or image transparent. Please like and share this video if you found this helpful. Subscribe to my channel to get the update on my latest videos. Thank you.